Welcome back to another Mobilesentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some new updates to the website and things to look forward to this week. So let's get into the video. Let's jump right into some new parts that you should be made aware of. Now available is our Aftermarket Plus Hard OLED screens compatible with the iPhone 14 Pro and screens compatible with the iPhone 16e and 15 Pro. We have our AQ7 2.0 OLED assemblies compatible for the iPhone 16e with our OLED breakage covered and IC transfer compatibility. These are soft OLEDs at a great price, and we also have the AQ7 LCD compatible for the iPhone 16e. These are Incell LCDs, which makes for a great alternative if somebody's looking to really just cut costs. And our OLED assembly compatible for the iPhone 15 Pro, a hard OLED for our Aftermarket Plus. And we've had a massive restocking of over 8,000 pre-owned iPhones. So definitely take some time to look at our pre-owned iPhone 16 series, the iPhone 15 series, 14 series, 13 series, and more. Last week's YouTube Tuesday, I covered a channel called Ninja Repair as they went over an iPhone 13 restoration. It was quite a unique transformation, and all of the work that went into that repair is definitely worth the watch. On Wednesday, I did something unique. I showed how you could take a completely dead battery and basically bring it back to life. A lot of the times batteries sit on shelves for a while, and that might make them so that they don't want to accept a charge. So I used an example of an old iPhone that had been sitting for a long time, wouldn't accept a charge, to show how you can basically jumpstart that battery to start accepting a charge again. And this applies to, again, batteries that have just been sitting on a shelf. Maybe you ordered them a long time ago and haven't used them, and then when you go to plug it in, it's dead. This shows how to use a power supply to bring it back to life. And I did some other little experiments by showing how I took like even just a regular watch battery and was able to get it to power up the watch again after it's been dead for years. So something to look into, how to bring a completely dead battery kind of back to life so that it'll charge. So you basically don't have to worry about your old stock completely just going bad and not having a solution for it. On Thursday, we covered specifically how to test SSDs, a couple methods to determining whether or not you have a good solid state drive or a bad solid state drive. So if that's an area that you like to explore, check out that video. And then for our Phone Fix Friday, I took an iPhone SE, the 2020 version, that had no touch and was boot looping, and I showed the process step by step on how to diagnose why that might be the case, how to fix it, and everything that went into that. It was quite an in-depth video. A lot of work went into it, so definitely check out that video as it will give you insight into how to diagnose a lot more issues other than the one that it covered. If there's something that you'd like to see demonstrated in a future video, comment it down below. Or if there's something that you see on Mobilesentrix.com that you'd like to see demonstrated in a video, whether it's a specific part being installed or a specific tool being used, comment it down below as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.